Hey, welcome back, guys. We're going to be cooking some smash burgers tonight. Easy, Bobo. He wants some smash burgers, too. Smash burgers. We got a little friend over here, the pump, little Calverts, little Coke, little ice. Doing a good work. Doing it on the Blackstone tonight. We'll show you what's going on. Okay, we're back at it, having a little drink of our pump. Dog's here. We've got some Epic Bagels by Dave's. We got some extra sharp cheddar cheese, a few fresh mushrooms and onions. Then we got some burgers mixed with pickles, diced onions, a little Worcestershire. We got some horseradish in there, some garlic, and a little bit of onion as well. A little pat of butter for the grill here in a little bit as well. Okay, grill's on about a medium heat, where the griddle is. Gonna take these burger balls right here. They're about a ½ pound a piece. Throw them on there, lump them in there, kind of separate them because we're going to smash them down a little bit. I'll come back with you in just a second. All we're doing here is moving the parchment paper over top of these. Pull over top, push down about 5-10 seconds or so. Looking for that sear on the back side of them. Locks all those juices in for us. Yeah. One more time on this one. Parchment paper. Put the burger press down there. Push it down about 5-10 seconds or so. Lock out flavor in there a little bit. While you're watching them cook, have yourself a pump. Oh shit, you got a little bit of spillage over there on the grill. Tonight we're using Sailor Jerry's cup. Again, we're having a pump tonight, so for your metal cup, it has to be metal. Almost 3/4 way full of ice, halfway full of Calverts, and throw your favorite soft drink of choice in there. Mix them up well, and then you got yourself a nice little drink while you're griddling. Is that right, Bobo?